Alright YouTube, this is a new segment with Foul Time Films called Cooking with Marcus. I know y'all tune in because you can't wait to see what us professional chefs are going to cook for you. Oh, laundry's done. Sorry about that. But, so yeah, I went down to Florida actually this summer and I caught a gator. I think it was about 8'8" gator, so pretty good sized one, but got a lot of meat with it. So I'm going to show you how to fry up some gator. If you hadn't watched Austin's video, go check it out. But he grilled a little bit because he's kind of been on a health kick and Austin's been losing weight and I have seemed to found it. So I'm gonna fry it because I'm not really I'm too big of a health kick even though I should be. So anyways, simple frying method. I mean, pretty much just like frying deer back strap or anything really that you fry. Turkey nuggets, pretty simple. So anyways, we're gonna get started. So here we go. Alright, so a couple things you're gonna need. Not a whole lot of really ingredients for this. Obviously you need your meat, need the gator. You're gonna need some eggs and buttermilk if you got it. I ain't got buttermilk right now, I don't think, so I ain't gonna use it. But some eggs to make your wet wash. Get some kind of seasoning. Obviously you gotta have some Cajun seasoning. He used Everglades. Everglades would be good, but we got Tony's and Cavender's. But most important thing you need is a cast iron skillet. I got this deep one. It ain't real big. I don't know, probably 12 incher I guess, but you need a cast iron skillet for frying stuff. It keeps the temperature even a lot better throughout the whole pan, so you don't have hot spots. You're not going to burn some of your meat while some of it's cooking slower. It just really helps it cook a lot more evenly. So get a cast iron skillet. And then obviously you need some kind of batter. Flour, it don't matter. We're using this Zatarain's fish fry just because I got a bunch of it. So I like the crispier. They make a crispier seasoning. I like that. Alright, so start off, and obviously get your meat opened up here. We left this been in the fridge for a couple days, but you really just need about thaw it overnight or throw it in the sink if you want to when you come back and get home. But thaw it out. This is what it looks like. Pretty good just little thin strips. Perfect for frying. Perfect for frying. But lay that out on a cutting board or something flat. Alright, so we're going to season today with a little bit of Tony's. You can use Tony's, Austin use Everglades. We got Cavender's too that we're probably going to put on it when we get done. Probably going to sprinkle a little garlic powder in there too. But just get some good seasoning, man. I like to go with a Cajun seasoning. But so you saw Austin. He did this like massage technique with it. I ain't never seen that technique before. Most time you just lay your meat out on a cutting board or something and sprinkle your seasoning on and then flip it and repeat. But hey, whatever works. So I like to do this before I start getting going with anything, but go ahead and dump your oil in your pan and get it heating up. You're going to want that oil hot. I mean, get it hot. So I'm using peanut oil, by the way. Peanut oil doesn't burn as easy as vegetable oil, so really when you're frying stuff, use peanut oil. So look, we're going to hit it with this Tony's right here. The Tony's is good stuff, man. But yeah, season that meat. And don't be afraid to go liberal with your seasonings, man. You can't go wrong with too much seasoning, in my opinion. I love seasoning on all my stuff. But yeah, flip that stuff over. Once you get all this flipped over, rinse and repeat, baby. I'm going to hit that other side a little bit with it. Alright, get your eggs. We're going to use just a couple eggs right here, but get your eggs out. You just whisk that up, whisk up your eggs, beat your eggs. Get them pretty good and beaten up. That's good. That's about good. Get your seasoning. Put it in a bowl. Take your meat. Throw it in your wash. Throw it in your batter. Roll it in that batter. In the grease you go. And that's it. That's all it is to it. It's going to be fire. You want to know how to make sure your oil's hot? Get you some of that flour, and this is what that oil should do. Oh yeah, that's how you know your oil's ready. This is where the massage technique works. What I like to do, I like to take it and roll it in all that flour. This ain't flour, I mean, it's whatever this batter is, but roll it in that batter. Get it evenly coated. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty when you're doing this. You want to make sure it's all evenly coated. That's what we want it to look like right there. See that coating? That's going to be good now. Now, here comes the best part. Listen to this sizzle, and you're going to be knowing it's good. Listen to the sizzle when you drop it. Drop it in like that. Go ahead and get it loaded up now. Woo, it smells good. Don't overload your pan, but get as much of it in there as you can. You don't want to do too many batches. So. Alright, that'll be about good for the first one. Alright, so you see how that's cooking? See how it's starting to come to the top and you see them crispy pieces? We'll be doing this with left hand. Kind of roll it around. Oh yeah, that's good. It don't take long. You just gotta stick it in there for a couple minutes, man, and it'll be done. But doing this left-handed, kind of difficult, but go ahead and scoop it out. Scoop out the pieces, throw it in your pan. Now you really need some paper towels in there, but I'm out of paper towels. That'll soak up that grease, but get it, throw it in. Watch this. Yeah! Come on, yeah. Alright dude, look right here. Don't forget this step. Once you get it all done, pan's hot. Get in that pan. Go ahead and finish it with that Cavendish seasoning. I like Cavendish seasoning. It's made here in, well, I'm in Missouri, but it's made in Harrison, Arkansas. But it's good stuff, man. Go ahead and hit the top of it with it. Sprinkle that on. Make sure you get every piece a little bit of some flavor. That's it. That's all it is to it. Let me give me a little piece right here. Yeah, it's hot. Hot, it's hot, 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 hot. And get you a piece. Oh my gosh. That's so good. I mean, so good. If you want to, make you some dip. Make like mayonnaise, ketchup, put a little Worcestershire sauce in it or something. That's a good dip. Get you a dip. I got like tiger sauce. We got some stuff called tiger sauce. Some of that tiger sauce. It's like a hot sauce, kind of a sweet hot sauce. I don't know, but it's good. Sprinkle some of that on it. Or just eat it how it is, but this stuff, that's money, dude, as Stale Cracker would say. But no, that's good stuff. That's it.